Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're ready to pair a Bluetooth accessory to your Apple Watch. Start now. First, make sure the watch has adequate charge and the accessory is powered. Low battery can block pairing. Next, keep your iPhone nearby but focus on the watch itself. Open Settings on the watch and tap Bluetooth so the watch is actively scanning. Once done, put the accessory into its manufacturer-specified pairing mode. This makes it discoverable to the watch and prevents conflicts with other devices. Once the accessory is discoverable, you'll complete the actual connection. On the watch's Bluetooth screen, watch for the accessory name to appear. This may take a few seconds. Tap the name to start pairing. If a PIN or confirmation prompt appears, enter or accept it on the watch or accessory as instructed. You'll see a spinning icon while they negotiate profiles. Be patient. After a short moment, the watch will show a connected state, indicating the device and specific profile, like audio or heart rate, are active. You're almost done. Verify the connection by playing audio or checking that the accessory's data appears on the watch. If it works, great. Make sure the accessory stays charged to avoid dropouts. If it fails, first restart both the Apple Watch and the accessory, then try pairing again. This clears temporary Bluetooth caches. If problems continue, tap the info icon on the watch's Bluetooth list, choose Forget Device, and perform a fresh pairing. That resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.